Oh, hey guys. Uh, so today I will be playing the Lookout 3D horse mod. He released that a while ago. Anyways, uh, I'm hmm. I feel like something's wrong, but I can't tell what. I just can't tell what. Anyways, I'm probably gonna need to start getting wood first because that's what all Minecrafters do first. Um. This is gonna be a really short video, but I'm not excited at all because I've seen the videos and that might be considered spoilers, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna get this tree. And then the worst thing is sometimes my mouse stops working. That's not great. And this sounds really weird. Do I really need 24? Sure, I'll go with it. I hear a horse. Hold on. I hear a horse, but where is it? Where are you? Where's the horse? Well, there's a weird guy over there. I hear bees. I hear the bees. I hear the bees buzzing. Okay, crafting table. Yes, see, oh, it only works often. Kill this pig. Oh, oops. Oh, yeah, I could get a bed. I'll leave you alone for now. Just kidding. I won't do that. Oh, hey, there are horses. You saw nothing. I don't think I'll ever be able to mine the same again with stone, cause like every time I mine at least 2 stone blocks, I think of the creeper rap. I'm a creeper, blah blah blah. I am Steve. This is my bed, and it rocks. Should probably get like a camera zoom mod, maybe. I don't know. I'm just here. I'm mining, and I'm being a YouTuber. I'm YouTubing. I am YouTube. If Yama, if Yahamai saw this mod, he would totally flip out. Okay, so I did some off-camera mining, and I built a really bad house. Look at it. Look at it. It is bad. It is very, very bad. Um, but I do have a house now. Huh, there is copper. I do not. Oh wait, no, I do. I can actually get some armor now. Wait a minute. This isn't the right version. I have to update to a new version. So, let me see. I can smelt my beef. Is my beef done? No, it is not done. That's okay. Um, I think it's time we can start now. Let me see. Rules. Do not ask why it's here. Do not enclose it. I won't do that. Let it observe. When the tide comes, you must find it. Always keep the saddle near. Complete with honesty and integrity. 3 visits, 3 saddles. Do not continue to use this mod. Yeah, what if I do? Oh, okay. Um, is anything gonna start? No? Sure. Maybe the horse appears, like, but I should probably get more leather. There's a bone here. But like I said, I need leather. I don't see anything. Maybe if I kill a horse, maybe he'll come to avenge his brethren. Okay. Yeah, sure. Um, yeah, sure. I'll get the. Did I get leather from that? No, really? Okay. Um, where is the horse? Horse is gone. Come here. I have a cantaloupe. I'll give you a cantaloupe. That was really corny. Um, where is this dude? I don't know where the horse is. What? Wait, hold on. Was that the horse? Come here, horsey. Where are you? Um, I don't see it. There is a ruined portal. What, is he like under me? Is he under me? Horsey! Come here, horsey! Okay, no horsey, I guess. It's becoming, ow. It's becoming night. I should probably, oh no, I can't run anymore. Okay, is this ruined portal good? Oh, mending? It's actually nice. That's really nice. Thank you, ruined portal chest. Is that it? Is that the horse? No. Where is this horse, man? Horseman. I have to walk all the way back. All the way back to my house. All the way back. The sun is setting. There's yellow flowers everywhere. I see my house. But I do not see the horse. By the way, I turned on hitboxes so I can find him, but I can't find him. Is that him? No, I guess not. Sure. I did hear him. Sheep. Sheepy boy. There's zombies everywhere. It's a good thing my house has 3 doors. Is that him? Nope, that's an Enderman. Where is this horse? Come on, show yourself. Maybe it only works in chat. Hold on. Horse. Oh, no. Horse. Show you. Horse, show yourself. Are you kidding me? No horse. No horse. No sign of long horse. Long horse. No sign of the horse with the long neck. That's fine. Where is he? Okay, so I was looking for the horse, and I was having a hard time, so I tried, cheating, and well, I have 30 minutes to find it. I don't know where it could possibly be. Dude, where is this horse? I've been searching for a very long time, and I want this video to be as short as possible, so it would help if you revealed yourself. And this music is not helpful either. Oh jeez. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Why can't it just reveal itself? This is annoying. I have a saddle for you. I have a saddle. But you do not want to come out of hiding. Oh my. It, it, um. Okay. Do you want to be saddled? Okay. Are you gonna look at me? Like, can he be attacked? No, uh, hello? Mr. Horsey? I'm just gonna slowly swim away. Okay, that was louder. He's right there. Okay, do I have a crafting table? I can do this. I can do this. Is that... I need iron? Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh, uh-oh. Uh, okay. Iron over there. Maybe it was a mistake downloading this mod. Oh my god. Ouch. Ow. Okay, there's iron right here. Why of all times right now? And why is it faster than before? It was 30 minutes, now it's 10 minutes. What? Why? This is so dumb. I'm just going back to the house. I have string there. I don't even care about that crafting table anymore right now. Where is he? Where is he? Where's that stupid horse? It's making me do all these dumb tasks because it just wants to be a horse or something. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, thanks to Lookout 3D, or is it 2D? I don't know, but Lookout 3D for like being kind of the creator of the mod. I know there's another guy who like made it or something, but I just want to thank Lookout for making this sort of awesome mod. My door won't open. Thank you. I have one piece of string. Wait, no, I need to smelt. I'm not thinking straight right now. Come on, smelt faster. I thought this said 3 minutes. I got really scared. Does it horse armor work? How come you have to saddle it and you can't put horse armor on it? That's really dumb. Okay, saddle. Got it. Can't believe I'm actually doing this right now. Can't believe I'm actually playing this right now. I can get that for string later. And I can get more iron later. If that thing, that thing isn't a horse. I don't know what that thing is, but I don't like it. It's forcing me to do all these tasks without my permission. 8 minutes left. Man, I'm kind of speedrunning this. Oh my gosh, this is taking way too long. Okay, what now? Is he gonna move? No, really. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can be like that. Yeah. Okay, he's unkillable. Okay, so the horse just spawned in front of me. What do you want? What? You have food? What do you want? Do you want me to brush you? Where's my brush? Hold on. Can I use the horse? Okay. No. Okay, do something. Come on. No, I'm just gonna start. Now, I do have some prior knowledge from the lookout video because the lookout video, uh, you also had to like brush the horsey guy, and that might happen. I don't know. Still over there? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see you. I have a shield now. I'm prepared. For whatever. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. I'm prepared for whatever shenanigans that guy has when the sun goes down. Let me see the rules. Again, 3 visits, 3 saddles. Let's get a saddle near. I don't have a saddle right now. Wait, was that the brush? Oh, the brush was in my inventory the entire time. I'm dusting off my stuff, so I'm prepared. I should probably, I have 6 leather. I'm not wasting that on armor. Probably just gonna sit here and smelt my, beef. Okay, so that was super loud. Actually, what happens if I don't saddle it? You know, help yourself, you dumb horse. But I do know that it's gonna try to attack me. So I'm gonna try and get as much supplies as possible. Here are the dumb rules. Wait, no, that would skip time, and then I would really be dead. Yeah, I got armor. I did some off-camera mining. It was taking a long time for the dumb horse. Yeah, where are you? Show yourself. Come on. Is that him? Oh my gosh, he's right there. Do. Yeah, come on. Let's see what happens. I have a saddle. You know you want it. You can't reach me. I just have to wait here for 1 minute. That's all. Where's the moon? It's way above me. You know, I'm not even scared of this dude at this point. It's just some silly horse mod. Plus, he probably can't even get off the ground. He's not a flying horse. Hopefully. Maybe if he eats cantaloupes, he becomes super horse and gets flying powers. It says 1 minute left. What about 0 minutes left? Yeah, come on. Oh no, so scary. It's dark. Oh, he can fly. Where's... Okay, well, I'm not playing that again. Um, that was, that was horrible of me. If you want to play the mod, try the linky in the description. Don't feed the horse a cantaloupe, and I will go back to my regular schedule with Wonderland Part 5 coming out soon. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye bye.